Using your military benefits for college can be a confusing and sometimes challenging process.
But it doesn't have to be. We're here to explain Chapter 33, or more commonly called the Post 9/11 GI Bill, which is a benefit offered by the VA to help pay for school.
This benefit can save service members and their families thousands of dollars, so don't ignore it. Use it to better yourself or your dependents. Service members can use this benefit if they have completed at least 90 consecutive days on active duty. Since students are paid a percentage based on their time in service, the majority use it after completing 36 months of active duty. This allows them to get paid the maximum amount the VA will provide.
This benefit can also be divided, allowing some or all of it to be transferred to multiple dependents. As a parent of 2 college-aged children, I was able to benefit in this way.
The VA will pay for 36 months of your college education. This translates into approximately 8 semesters or 4 years of education as a full-time student. Keep in mind, the VA counts down to the actual day, so if you are not a full-time student, your benefit amount will be prorated over the 36 months. The VA sends an update after each semester so you know how many days of your benefits have been used and how many remain. You will get the best bang for your buck if you are a full-time student. Plus, you can get more housing allowance, known as BAH, if you are taking at least 1 course face-to-face. This was especially important to me when I was deciding on which university to go to. The University of North Dakota offered my tuition and fees paid for and to give me a BAH monthly.
There are a couple of things to keep in mind on when you want to start using your benefits. If you wait until you've served for 36 months, you will get benefits at a 100% rate. If you want to use your benefits right away, you can do so at a lower percentage rate, but still get 36 months worth of benefits. And depending on your degree, your benefits can be extended for an additional 12 months. Check with the VA to determine your eligibility based on your degree. On a more personal level, I decided to use my post 9/11 GI Bill benefits after finishing my associates. I had been able to pay for each class with the Air Force's Tuition Assistance Fund, but when I started working towards my bachelor's, the tuition assistance would only pay for part of the class and I would have to pay out of pocket for the remaining amount. I had been in for 4 years at that point and decided this was the best way to get my degree without having to pay out of pocket or fall into student loan debt.
Where can you use your benefits and what school should you attend? All schools accept the GI Bill. In addition, some private schools offer a second benefit known as the Yellow Ribbon Program. That program is an additional tuition benefit above and beyond the GI Bill. But always check with their admissions office. As president of the University of North Dakota, I'm biased, and I think our rigorous academic programs and our long history of being military friendly makes us the right school for you. But that decision is up to you and should be based on what you are passionate about.
The final step is applying to use your benefits. Service members need to fill out VA Form 22-1990. This can be found on the GI Bill website. And if you have a dependent that you want to transfer the GI Bill to, they would fill out the VA Form 22-1990E. Every school has a slightly different process, so make sure to connect with the admissions office even after it's been approved by the VA to see if you need to complete additional steps.
You've earned your benefits and are applying them to a degree and to your career. Now it's time to get to work. Thank you for serving our country. We wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors.